संसारदावानलितलोकात्रणायकारुण्यघनाघनत्वम् प्राप्तस्य कल्याणगुणार्णवस्य वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम्। महाप्रभु कीर्तनहृद्य गीताम् वादित्रमार्जान् मनसोरसेन रोमाञ्चकां पाशुतरङ्गभाजम् वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम्। Specific. We have to get to this stage of specific in bhakti, not general, peripheral. No. It has to get deeper. It has to get specific. It has to get personal. Personal seva to Bhagavata. Personal seva to Bhagavan. That's what Guru gives Krishna means. Shri Vigraharadhana Nityananam Shringaratan Mandiramarchanadav Yuktasya Bhaktamscha Niyunjatopi Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam. Chaturvida Shrim Bhagavad Prasado Swadhana Triptam Haribhaktya Sangam Kritvaiva Triptim Bhajata Sadaiva Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam. Shri Radhika Madhavayorapayo Madhurya Leela Gunarupa Namnam Pratikshana Swadhanalolupasyam Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam. That's very specific, huh? Sadhu Guru, who is like a cloud giving us Krishna, he's really placing a personal form of Krishna in the form of Nama, in the form of the deity, and to us. So he is always engaged in the loving service of Bhagavan in the Nama, the Bhagavan in the Nama. Very specific seva hai. Personal service to Bhagavan in the Nama, personal service to Shri Vigraha, personally cooking for the Shri Vigraha and distributing the mercy personally to all the devotees. And he's offering personal seva to Shri Shri Radha Madhava. And he's having not a vague general experience, very personal experience. Every moment he's relishing the rasa with Bhagavan, very personal. Bhakti has to get to this deep, not just vague. Oh, ho gaya to ho gaya. Yes, I did it. No, just not I did it. Who did you do it for? Yeah, more specifics, depth. Nikunjayo no ratikeli siddhai yayali bir yukti rapekshaniyam tatrati daksha tativallabhasyat vande guru shri charanarvindam. Can get lost in the superficial commotion. No. Don't want to get lost in the superficial commotion. No. Don't just get stuck with the general bhakti. No. It has to get personal pratyaksha avagamam dharmyam. Sakshat haritvena samasta shastrai Yuktastada bhavyatena sadbihi Kintu prabhuya priyaiva tasya Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam. The very first way of getting that personal experience in bhakti, offering personal seva, is with the Nama. That's why our japa quality is the decider of our bhakti. How superficial, vague, or deep and personal is our bhakti? And the japa is the indicator. How is the japa going? And that's how the bhakti is. Can get lost in superficial vagueness. Yasya prasadam bhagavat prasadam Yasya prasado nagati kutopi Dhyayam tu vam tasya yasya trisandyam Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam. Yes, Shri Guru is Radhika Priyasaki, has personally come to personally rescue us and place the mala in our hands personally. And the deities are present there in the mala personally. What personal service are we offering to the deities in the nama? How will we get personal service of Bhagavan to the Rupa of Bhagavan in the transcendental realm without offering personal service to the Bhagavan in the Nama? How will that happen without offering personal service to the Bhagavata, who is not limited by time, place, or circumstance? Shri Guru Pyo Namaha.